Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you, but I don't just have one, I don't just have two, I have three unboxings for you guys and a giveaway. This is a company called All You Need. They contacted me and told me a little bit about their boxes and what they did and asked if I would like to review the boxes, and I said yeah, that sounds amazing. I researched the website and it looked really cool. They do a code red box, which is a period subscription box. All of these are subscription boxes, but you can buy them as one-off boxes as well. So you do the code red one, which is £10.99 a month, and you get your period products that you need and treats and snacks and all the kind of good stuff you want around your period. Then you get a recovery workout box, which is £11.99 a month, where you'll get like protein shakes, protein cookies, pre-workout things. I haven't opened the boxes yet, they're all literally just here. But this is just what I'm reading off their website. And then the last box is a Pamper Night Box, which is £10.99 a month, and you will get candles and face masks and chocolate, I hope, and all good stuff. So I do have a discount code which they've given me, which is NEWBOX10, which I'll put on the screen here. I'll also link that down below, along with links to all the different boxes that you can buy from them. Shipping is £3.49 flat rate, but they only ship to the UK at the moment. They've given me the code red box to give away to one of you guys. So I am going to keep that as a UK only giveaway for now. So I'm sorry about that. I have got an international one going as well, which I'll link somewhere else, but this giveaway is just going to be a UK based giveaway, but we'll talk more about that later on, because we've got 3 unboxings to do and I don't want this video to be 9.5 days long. So let's get in. I don't know, what does it say on them, what one it is? I don't know. And also I just saw on the website, all the boxes, it says certified wood made from paper pulp that's sourced from responsibly managed forests and mills, biodegradable when exposed to light, air, moisture and microbes. This product breaks down due to natural elements found in nature and recyclable materials. So we love that, we absolutely love that. But yeah, I've got three boxes to undo. They're different. This one's very heavy, this one's not too heavy, and the last one I picked up is light. So let's have a look. I don't know what's what. I think this might be the recovery one, because it has got a green sticker on the back. So let's have a look. Yeah, this is the All You Need recovery workout book box. It says on the back, "Loose, we hope you love your box." And it's like this. Literally every time I've tried to film today, either the neighbour's dogs have been going bananas, the cockerels are going bananas, and now my neighbour's just started his van up literally outside my bedroom window. So what can you do? What can you do? Right, let's have a look. So this is the workout box, and we have got a Grenade Carb Killer protein shake, fudge brownie. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. That sounds delicious. Love me some fudge brownies, who doesn't? This is 24 grams of protein, low sugar, lactose free. What else do you need to know about it? I don't know, I've never had one of these before. Oh, excuse me, I've got the hiccups now. Vegetarian Society approved, no artificial colours or flavouring, GMO free. That's always good. We've got some Clear Whey Isolate, rainbow candy flavour, ready to mix whey protein, hydrosol, I can't say that word, powder with flavour and sweetener. We recommend using 1 sachet mixed with 300 to 400 ml of water. After shaking, wait for 15 seconds for the natural foaming to settle and watch as it gradually clears into a colourful, translucent, refreshing protein drink. Cool. I've never ever tried anything like this before. I've had my friends, when we were allowed to do the school runs and stuff, they always used to go for a run on a couple of days a week, and they'd always have like a pre-workout, and I never even heard of that, but apparently like pre-workout things are like full of caffeine, and that they'd all be there like buzzing their tits off ready to run, and it used to make me laugh a lot. I've got some Quaker protein porridge, cinnamon flavour. I have got a Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie, and this is a protein cookie. I've had something similar to this before and they're really good. Vegan, kosher, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial sweeteners, sustainable palm oil, 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fibre, no soy, no dairy, no egg. I've got a Carb Killer white chocolate cookie protein bar. I've had one of these before and they're delicious. I am doing Slimming World at the moment, so if I'll put the sends on the screen for everything after when I'm editing for all of these, just for anybody that's interested, and I'll put the calories as well. I've got peanut butter RX bar, 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, no bullshit. That's like another proteiny snack. And then the last thing in here is Tea Pigs, and it is a peppermint, minty fresh, naturally caffeine free tea. I love Tea Pigs packaging, it always just looks really lovely. I do apologise about my neighbour's van. I'll pause filming in a second and then I'm going to shout at him out the window and tell him to shut the fudge up. So that was the recovery workout box. Quite a lot in there. So that's that one. And as I said, you can put all of these as a single subscription, as a single one-off box, or you can buy them as a subscription, so they come every month. Right, the neighbour's pissed off, but the cockerels have started, so I'm just going to power through. This box is really heavy. I don't know which one is which. I think this one might be the Pamper Night Box, because the other one's got a red sticker on it. It doesn't say on it. Let's have a little look. Get out of your plastic prison. There we go. It's not really a plastic prison. It was a plastic sticker annoying me. So this is the Pamper Night Box. All we need is for you to enjoy all you need. This night is about you. Light your candle, put on your favourite movie and indulge into mouth-watering snacks. This box is heavy. Oh, they use Royal Mail as well. They don't use any of that Hermes crap, just to make you aware. Something in here smells so good. So this is the box. First thing I'm going to get, this is the heavy thing, is a candle. Hand poured 60 degrees daydreamer. Snow fairy is like my favourite smell in the whole world. Oh, fuck. That smells so good. This candle is beautiful. Look, isn't that lovely? That smells incredible. I'm literally going to light that as soon as I finish filming. That is amazing. You stay there. Right, we've got a couple of teas. So I've got some Off Black, Sleep Breezy, Chamomile and Peach. Caffeine free, yeah! I love this. I don't know if this is because they know I'm caffeine free or because this is what comes in the boxes. But I'm all about caffeine free life. I've never seen that before, but that looks amazing and that sounds delicious. Lemongrass, chamomile, rose hip, we'll see, apple pieces, flavourings and blackberry leaves. Sounds amazing. I'm going to try it. And then I've got Twining Sleep, spiced apple, vanilla and chamomile. Another caffeine free one. Oh my goodness. I love it, love it. We've got salted popcorn. Get that in your face. I want to know, are you a salted popcorn person or a sweet popcorn person? I cannot stand sweet popcorn. Salted popcorn is like my favourite. I absolutely love it. And the saltier it is, the better it is. And perfect popcorn is like when you're at the cinema and then they've got like the butter on it as well. That's just like salted all the way. Let me know what you are. I've got a Pinot Grigio inspired Shine and Smooth Deep Conditioning Mask infused with wine, lemon and pear extracts for your hair. Oh my god, that's so cool. I've never seen that. Unwind by Hask. Oh, so it's Hask, like a Hask hair mask. I love that. That's hilarious. I'm very excited to try that. Free from sulfates, parabens, the word I can't pronounce, gluten, drying alcohol and artificial colours. Perfect. I'm trying to do curly girl again, so that's perfect for my hair. There is a load of Starburst in the bottom. There is, I think are you a bath bomb? Oh my god, I just need something, I'm very excited. A little bath bomb here, which is Candy Hearts. Oh my god, it literally smells like love hearts. A little tiny bath bomb, that's super cute. And then I've got a sheet mask. Formula 10, Power 10 Formula VE sheet mask. It's skin. I have no idea what this does. Oh, here we go. Nourishing. Most of it is in a language I can't read. So we've got that. And then we've got a Biscoff biscuit. Another bath bomb. Snowberry. Oh my god, this is literally like the best box ever. And feckin' huge Dairy Milk Oreo. This is one of my favourites. I love dark chocolate. But Ben had some of this and I was like, oh, that'll be gross. And oh my god, it's amazing. It's so good. He literally bought it for himself. This was like before I was in Cinnamon World and I was like, oh, man, just ate a lot. Absolutely loved it. So that is the Pamper Night Box. That one was brilliant. I love that. The Snow Fairy candle. Like, if you need me for the next week, I'm just going to be like this. It's just going to be me smelling that all day, every day. So that is the Pamper Night Box. And then last up, we've got the box. This one is the one I'm giving away to one of you guys. To be eligible to win, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below. What is your go-to pamper item when you are on your period? Or if you haven't got periods anymore, or you don't have periods for whatever reason, what is your go-to pamper item? We want to be all inclusive. So yeah, let me know. Like when you're in need of some comfort and you're like on the sofa, you're all snuggled watching a film, what is your one item? Is it a beauty item? Is it some chocolate? Is it wine? Let me know. And this is going to be for one of you guys. So comment that down below. Leave your Instagram handle. I'll leave all the details down below. But yeah, this is the Code Red package. All we need is for you to enjoy all you need. We aim to deliver the best possible products to fulfill your desires during the special time of the month. With this box, you can customise whether you want tampons or pads at the point of ordering. So I'm trying to do this one as neatly as possible because I'm giving this to one of you. I have just ripped the paper. Right, let me remove. Oh my god, there's loads in here. Oh my goodness. There's loads of stuff in here. I want it. So this is the box. I've taken off all the wormies. So we've got half pads and half tampons. I'm not going to get everything out. We've got nighttime pads, daytime pads, tampons. We've got a load of Starburst in the bottom. And then we've got a Batiste dry shampoo in the scent Blush. We all have a bit of dry shampoo. Especially during lockdown, I'm like, can I go another day? Definitely. We've got a hot chocolate, Cadbury's Instant Hot Chocolate. This is one of my favourite hot chocolates, actually. It's more sins for me than the options ones, but it's always better. Cadbury hot chocolate is always the best. We've got some Candy Kittens, Blueberry Bliss. We all know how I feel about Candy Kittens. They're like my favourite jelly sweets in the world. They're amazeballs. If you haven't had any, then get some in your face. I've got another sheet mask. This is a Revitalizing sheet mask. I've got a tea, strawberry cucumber and green tea. That sounds lovely. And aloe vera. I've got some Oreo cookies. And I've got, a heat pad. I love that. I used to use these when my periods were really, really bad. Or I'd get like the microwave things and like really heat them up and like shove them on my belly. Love that. And then we've got Maltesers. Literally all my favourite snacks in here. I love it. So that is the Code Red Pamper Box. Let me try and put it back together as neatly as possible. Oh, we've got panty liners as well. I'm trying to put I'm going to do that afterwards. So yeah, those were the 3 boxes. I will leave links for everything down below and all the information you need if you want to win the Code Red box. Thank you so much to All You Need for sending me these. I'm very, very thankful and I'm super excited to get that candle lit because it smells amazing. Yeah, yeah, if you like these videos, give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.